All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about dealing with warranty companies. All right, so if you're in the automotive business, you've dealt with automotive warranty companies. And they run the gamut from worthless pieces of nothing that they spent way too much money on that does zero to really good warranties that cover a lot. Like I've had a BMW, and I'll tell the story. The video is online, by the way. A former service writer here bought a 5 Series BMW and went out and bought one of the best warranties he could find. And no, I don't know the company. I don't remember. It's been several years. But I did a time lapse of the repairs. But the warranty company bought valve cover reseal, oil stand reseal, valve, oil pan reseal, Vanos solenoid replacements, and some other stuff. I mean, it was a very expensive ticket, and they bought it. Had to deal with an adjuster, but they bought it. It wasn't even a question. The only thing they declined was the battery sensor in the back that they just didn't cover. Other than that, literally, one of the things they covered was a coolant flush. Why? Because it did not have BMW coolant in it. So we flushed it out, put BMW blue in it. Pretty often around here, we have insurance adjusters coming around. Unfortunately, it is a fact of doing auto repair if you deal with companies. And we've dealt with really good adjusters that are not trying to find a way to get the company out of it. And we've dealt with adjusters that will basically nitpick anything they can find to not pay. It's frustrating. Can I sit here and name a bunch of companies that are great to deal with? I don't really pay that much attention, honestly. Our system here is car comes in on a warranty, we write it up just like normal, we send it over to sales, and they go through and price everything out and do all their money stuff, and then it gets kicked to the boss. Now, one of the things you have to understand about doing warranty company repairs is somebody is going to be on the phone for a long time. Between holds, talking to the people on the phone, all this stuff just to, oh, yeah, that's not covered, or yeah, we got to send an adjuster out there, or yes, that's covered, go ahead and do it. Call us back when the repair's done, and we'll give you a credit card number. And it's been, every time we get a warranty in, it's a frustrating situation. I just had one today. Cadillac with a drooping rear. The compressor has failed. It's not putting out enough pressure to lift the car. It needs a new compressor. Not covered. And the lady doesn't have the money, and she cried. It sucks. Now, I don't know any details about the warranty she had. Unfortunately, a lot of people are sold warranties and they don't understand what is actually covered. So a lot of times that, they come in with a warranty for, powertrain, and they're trying to get, a radiator covered or something like that. And it, usually on a powertrain warranty, that's not covered. Other times you've got much more substantial warranties where they will fix most anything on a car. Not too long ago, we did a 6.4 Chrysler, yeah, the big boy, under warranty. Warranty company paid for teardown, inspection, and paid to replace it with a new engine from Chrysler. Warranty, that's the thing about warranty companies is when they, agree to a repair, it's money in the bank. We've had warranty companies where we've had to go back and, that example I just gave you, it started as cylinder head replacement, because of, I think, valving issues or something like that. I forget what it was, but it had one problem, and then it came back with a different problem, verified with codes and all that, because we had an adjuster out every time they were here, and so we know we had a different problem the second time, and it turned out to be a bad camshaft. Imagine that on a Chrysler product. Cam bearings were messed up, so it got a long block. But understand that dealing with warranty companies is not a simple like dealing with a customer. It's jumping through hoops to jump through another hoop, to stand on one leg, jump through the third hoop, while you're doing something else. I mean, it's literally a frustrating endeavor, and I know a lot of shops with smaller staffs just can't deal with it, but understand, a good warranty company is money in the bank. And understandably, if you're dealing with warranty companies, you know good warranty companies and bad warranty companies. I don't deal with the front end of it, so I really don't remember names of companies, so I can't sit there and go, this company, this company. I will say CarMax has paid a lot of money to us over the years. In fact, we had a camshaft replacement that they paid for. I did it in one of the videos I did with, I did a video on one car that was paid by CarMax that was a camshaft replacement on a Malibu. CarMax paid for that. So I know it can be frustrating, but there's money to be made with warranty companies when they're a good warranty company. So if you want to make money with them, dot your T's, dot your T's, do periods, make sure you have your numbers right for them, i.e. all data times, or Mitchell, or whatever you use. They're probably not paying diag, so the customer's going to have to pay that. So, as always, hope this video was informative. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.